Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can hide your number on outgoing calls on your Poco M5s. For that, you want to click on that little phone icon here and then click on the three little dots. Click on settings and then go to calling accounts. Then click on advanced settings and click on caller ID, and here you can click on network default, hide number, or show number. So you want to hide your number, so you click on hide number, uploading settings, and then you see number is hidden in outgoing calls. So now if you call someone, your number won't be shown on the device you're calling. Maybe you want it to be a surprise, maybe you just want to fool someone, I don't know. Whatever you want to hide your number for on calls. So that's how you hide your number. If you want to go back, you just go back the steps and click on show number or network default, and then your number is shown again when you call someone. Then you just go back, make your calls, and your number is hidden or shown, whatever you put in there. So that's how you hide your number on your Poco M5s. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.